Hey, 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 hey! I'm back! I'm outside because they are putting the floors in my house. So I'm actually out here getting a little sun. I got my green on today. So happy St. Patrick's Day. I got my new cowboy hat, which I love. I know Marty doesn't like it, but that is okay. I'm trying to figure this out. All right, I got nobody on here yet, but that's okay. So what's been happening since I've been gone? Quite a bit. Uh, I'm catching up slowly. I'm hearing about the marketing campaigns. I'm hearing Monday there's going to be something really, really big with Ash. So do I know what it is? No, I don't like to know. I like the surprises. I like the excitement. As you can see, I'm still on vacation, kind of. I'm out here in the sun. It's absolutely beautiful out here in Michigan today. It feels like 75 degrees today. But I just wanted to say hi. I just watched Marty DeGarmo's live, which was really good. He was talking about the truth and stay away from people that aren't telling the truth. That's really what it's about. All I can say is right now, whoever hasn't got into this yet, I think you're a fool, to be honest with you. You might think I'm a fool, but I know what's coming our way. Ash has explained this to us in the last few weeks. He's showed up in quite a few webinars. A lot of you are asking what he's doing this week. He's extremely busy. I know that. We've got a few messages from him. Very exciting times. I had a wonderful time on my vacation. I'm glad I got to share it out with you guys for a little bit. Man, I want to go on another one now. It was really fun. I did some just good things. I got to spend time with my girlfriend, my daughter, her fiance, and my cousin Lee and her husband Henry showed me a phenomenal time, so thank them. But man, I was really excited to get home and to find out all the stuff that was going on. I really can't wait for Monday. I see everyone's doing their lives. Pat, Sherry, you guys are rocking it. I'm absolutely loving that. And I'm extremely excited because I know how close this really is. Let me say hi to a few people here first. Wishim, how you doing? Theo, how you doing? Kathy Lee Freeman, what's happening? Florida was beautiful, thank you. Robert Tantillo, Floridine, what's happening? Pat Parent, my beautiful Pat Parent, going strong. Keep going at it, girl. I love you for what you're doing. Robert Tantulo, the phenomenal post. Cheryl Bess, how you doing? Happy St. Patrick's Day. John White, high and tight, what's happening? Yeah, John, I'm just going to say it for you. China Cabinet. Sam Pat Patel, how you doing? Ram, what's happening? John Peterson, how you doing? Steve, Noel, Diane Lennon, there's my Canadian lady. What's happening? Enthusiasm, how you doing? And everything's jumping again. So I'm just here to say is we took a couple weeks off from some of our webinars just because we wanted to take a little break. Some people kept going. But we'd like to get more information so we can share it with you. We're still doing great on these educational classes, which is really awesome, I think. A lot of people learning. We got our IT guys rocking the house, teaching us about servers and all the fun stuff that's coming our way. But remember, you don't have to do any of this. You really don't have to do any of this. You could be sitting out here in the sun with me and drinking a cold beverage and just enjoying yourself. That's what you're going to look forward to. I can't tell you, I told you a little bit yesterday on the 2.5 Men how excited I was when I actually was coming home for the first time ever. I didn't have to go to that job. Now, of course, I'm retired, all right, but this is coming your way. Remember, I did 32 hard years of work like most of you are doing or have done. It wasn't fun, a lot of time wasted. This is going to get your time back, your freedom back. Not the first day. It's going to take a little bit of time. But what else do you have to do? What else are you doing right now? Keep working until this really booms. I know it's going to boom heavy and hard. Hopefully soon these marketing campaigns will start. I think we'll find more out Monday, but I'm not sure. We got to wait for what Ash, see what Ash has to say. But it's very, very exciting times, guys. I mean, I'm looking at, to my opinion, weeks away from going crazy. All right, actually seeing residual income coming in. And there's nothing better than that. Or you can go to work for the next 30 years like I did and keep working and miss things and stuff like that. But I know Red Redfern, I want to do a shout out to him. He's out celebrating St. Patrick's Day. If Patty's on here, happy St. Patty's Day for you. The only guy in the world knows that a whole holiday was named after him. But that's just the way it is. But this is coming, guys. this is coming like a freight train. And as we get into these marketing campaigns, I think you're going to be totally blown away. Marty, if you would, watch Marty's live. He talked about the bonuses, the structure, and stuff like that. And hear what he has to say. I'm not going to repeat it because he said it perfect. I talked to him late last night about it. I got some people calling me, asking me all kind of, some of your questions are asking, guys, we're not there yet. But we're going to be there real soon. And when that happens, guess what? You're not going to be asking me. The next question you'll be asking me, I believe, is, all right, Chris, how do we set up these wallets? Remember, when the wallets come into place, Ash is going to have detailed information how you do it. It's going to be simple. So don't get crazy about that. It's going to be simple. We have a lot of things out there that are not true, Marty touched on, and we want to stay away from that. If you're not sure, give one of us a call, text us, shoot us an email. That's how we do it. We don't want anyone misled. Ooh, that sun is bright. It feels good. We don't want anyone misled. We want to tell people the truth. You're only going to pay the $97. And to all you people who think that we are crazy, so what? I know I've blown $97 in a lot of things. This is the first time I spent $97 where I'm actually going to get a lifetime of stuff back, which is residual income. A lot of you still don't understand that. Oh, Chris, this has been going on. He's going to launch it, all right. And when he launches, you're going to be blown away. You'll be calling me, I can promise you that, or anyone else who shares this. Yeah, share my lives, guys. I love when you do that because we want to get people involved in Onpassive. Maybe you're a little shy. You don't need to be. Let me help you out. Let Red help you out. Let Marty help you out. Let Sherry, Pat, anyone that does a live, share those. Get those out there. Show people a different opinion, a different face, and let them know what it's all about. So, wow, 44 people on here. That's almost a record for me. That's pretty good for being gone for 2 weeks. There's my buddy Peter Shure who got me into this. How you doing, Pete? Abdul Jabbar, how you doing? Amit, how you doing? And I can't see anyone's name because it's bouncing all over the place. Let me bounce down. Maho, Habur, how you doing? Rupa Paul, there's my beautiful sister from India. Sherry Deersway, wow, we caught each other's lives. That's a first. Who am I missing? Mark Booth, how you doing? Juanita, how you doing? John White, I seen you again, China Cabinet. Peter Shore, Steve Newell. Yeah, I hope you guys are all doing good. I did miss you. I did try to keep up with what I was doing, plus my vacation wasn't always easy, but actually I had a lot of fun. So if you got a birthday today, I missed a few birthdays, I'm sure. Happy birthday. If I missed it in the past, happy belated birthday. That's just how I roll sometimes. Sometimes you just got to knock the dust off your boots and go. And my daughter talked me into it, and I had a lot of fun. But boy, you guys are really going to enjoy that. I actually lived the laptop lifestyle for about 10 days just to see how it works. But the best thing was coming home, and I didn't have to go to that job. The only reason I had to come home is because I got my floors being put in my house. So, but otherwise, I probably still would have been there. But it's a great, great feeling, and I hope you can all experience that. I'm not going to hope. I know you're going to experience that. And, you know, all those people that haven't really got anybody to join, that's okay. It's okay. We wish that you go out and get 3 people, but if you didn't, that's fine. Artificial intelligence and Onpassive is going to do all that work for you. A lot of us get crazy. You know, there's some people here that got some pretty amazing teams. They started 3.5 years ago. There's people that started 1.5 years ago that got amazing teams. And there's some people that don't got anybody, but that's okay. Remember, it's all done for you. Don't forget that. All right, if you are sick, I'm saying my prayers for you. I'm still asking for prayers for this Ukraine and Russian thing to get over with. I pray that the old Putin there, God gets in his head and straightens him out. A lot of things that should be happening. And honest to God, I wish we had Obless right now just to start pumping some funds over there to those poor people. But say a lot of prayers for that. Near and dear, I don't like war in any means, especially when innocent people are dying, and that's what's happening. So keep praying, guys. Keep thinking about Onpassive. Don't stop sharing. You can share this live. I don't put links on it. You know that. I love every one of you, and we'll see you guys all at the top. You know what Sherry Deersway is going to say, where your ears will pop. All right, guys, I got to go. I'll see y'all. Bye.